Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to turn on and turn off the desktop corner edge flipping window triggers in Linux Mint. This instantly activates your hot corners, allowing you to trigger a window overview or reveal your desktop simply by slamming your mouse cursor into any corner of the screen. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Hot Corners into the search bar and click the Hot Corners icon from the results to open the panel. When the layout board window pops up, you will see a central monitor preview surrounded by 4 distinct corner toggle switches. To turn on a trigger, click the switch next to your desired corner to flip it from gray to active green. Click the drop-down menu that appears below that enabled corner to assign a system behavior, like Show All Windows or Show Desktop. To turn off a trigger and stop accidental window flipping, click that same corner toggle switch back to its off position. Cinnamon applies your hover rules in real time, so you can immediately click the X button at the top corner to close the panel. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.